Alright, what's going on? It's your boy Loren the Barber. I'm back with another episode of the unboxing, and I got my new Babyliss clippers. I got the gold ones, man. I couldn't wait to bring them out. Got the big boys. I already showed y'all the liners. Now I got the big ones. So about to see what it's about. The Babyliss Gold FX Babyliss Pro. Let's open them up. Got a nice can, y'all see. First of all, let me let y'all see the front. Let y'all see the front. I got the Babyliss FX Pro. Y'all see it in a nice can. They gold. They beautiful. Everybody like the look. That's why I had to get the whole kit. On the back of them, we have metal lithium clipper, DLC nickel titanium coated stainless steel blade, 5 detent taper control. That's just about the lever. Got the high torque brushless Ferrari design engine, and I can attest to that engine. That engine is all that. Believe that. That's a strong engine. I got the red Babyliss clippers. Matter of fact, these are good too. These are Ferraris. So yeah, but it has the same engine. It's a strong engine, man. Shout out to Babyliss for making that engine. That's a good connect. We have the all metal housing, the knurled barbell grip. So it has the has like the addition like a barbell, like dumbbells. If you lift it, if you know that, and that pattern that's on there is good for the grip while you cutting. Lithium ion battery. Like I said before, that battery is one that you can keep plugged up all day. You don't have to worry about them burning out. That was the problem with the old cordless clippers. They had regular batteries, and you leave them plugged up all night, and then you wonder why they burnt out, because the battery wasn't built for that. So the lithium ion battery is now you're able to keep them plugged up all times. Then we have you know, the cordless. It just shows that it's cordless. You got the hook on there. I don't know nobody that hang their clippers up anymore, but it has the hook on there for you. You can hang them up. But that's what the back looks like. All right, so let's open them up. Let's open them up. Oh, there we go. Pop this baby in. They got it in there tight too. This baby's beautiful. We about to hook them up. I got my guy Darren recording me right now. He gonna be the first one to test these babies out. You know what I mean? And yeah, I showed y'all these in the other box. We got the whole kit. We're not playing games. Barbers invest into your craft. You hear me? You know this about. Matter of fact, let me tell you, I paid $202 for these clippers right here. After tax, it was like $224, and I got the warranty. You gotta get the warranty. If you don't get a warranty and you pay $200 for some clippers, shame on you, because you can drop these clippers. Anything can happen, and what you gonna do? You gotta pay another $200. We work hard for our clippers. Get the warranty. So altogether, I paid about $243. Might as well round it up, $245 for the whole clipper with the warranty and everything. Got them from Cosmoprof. So yeah. I got these. Let me see what's in here. Let's see what's inside the rest of the box. We got the long cord, the long charger cord. You know how to plug this in. Just plug this into your what they call this thing, man. It's the surge protector. Plug it in your surge protector. Plug it in the wall, whatever the case. It's a long cord. And you plug it right here at the bottom. That's what that looks like. Plug it in there. And they charge up pretty fast. And I'm going to read it on there. I'm sure it's on there. But you can also cut with the cord in there if you want to. But of course, we love the cordless as barbers. So got that. We have, let's see what's in this bag. And I love responsible barber companies, because I already see they have the blade protector. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a traveling barber, so when we traveling, we want to keep our guards, our blades protected, because you break a tooth, now you got to get a whole nother blade. Now that could be about $20, probably about $60, $70 for these, honestly. We have the little two. They have the screwdriver, little. Let me show you. Keychain screwdriver. That comes in handy. We got change blades and all that type of stuff. It has the Barberology on there. That's cool. Yep. And we had a. Oh man, it's quarantine. Like, I'm doing it live in the shop, y'all. So we, you know, customers walking in, but yeah, it's the quarantine. We did the fake shake.
Check it out.
But let me see what guards. We're gonna run down these guards, and then we're gonna finish them out. As a matter of fact, too, we come with the oil too. Got the oil, the Babyliss oil. Babyliss Pro oil, and
I'll put it back in later.
have the little brush where you brush off the hair on there. You know, I don't know who uses that, but it can come in handy. We have the half. We got the half guard, the 0.5 guard. That come in handy. I use that. I use that 0.5 guard. The 1 point. Hold on. Let's go in a row. The 1 guard. The 2 guard. I skipped the 1.5. Got the 1.5 guard. We got the 3 guard. We have the 4 guard. We have the 5 guard. And we have the 6 guard. So we're going up to 6. Now I had some clippers where the guards went up to 8. I don't know who's using the 8. If anybody using 8, comment on the bottom of the video. Let me know what you use the 8 for. But I don't even recall me using the 6. So if you use the 8, comment, let me know what you use the 8 for. But that completes the box. That completes the box right there. But I'm gonna use these clippers and I'm gonna give you a review. But I already know I'm gonna like them. But I like this whole kit. So I'm gonna show y'all the results. I'm gonna give a nice cut to my guy. I'm gonna show y'all the results. So just make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video, and follow me on all of my social media sites. Everything is Loren the Barber. That's Twitter. That's Snapchat. That's Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, of course. Loren the Barber. So, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'm out.